Some of the best memories are made out on the water. From kayaking, paddleboarding, jet skiing, and boating, there are endless possibilities to make the most of your summer. Water activities are best enjoyed with your friends and family when you boat safely. Here at Rental Boat Safety, our goal is to equip you with the tools that you need to stay safe. From life jacket safety to tips for taking your boat out for the day, our resources and training videos are designed to help safely prepare you for a fun day. Memories that you make on the water can last a lifetime. Happy boating!